Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus notebooks. We'll dive into their core functionalities, examining how each tool excels in different scenarios. You'll learn about the unique strengths of digital organization with Notion, like its powerful databases and collaborative features. We will also explore the timeless benefits of a physical notebook, such as its distraction-free environment and tactile experience. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding to help you choose the best tool for your personal and professional needs. Notion truly shines with its digital capabilities. Imagine organizing thousands of notes, projects, and ideas in one interconnected workspace. You can link pages, create custom databases for tasks or content, and utilize countless templates. Collaboration is seamless, allowing multiple users to edit in real time, and everything is accessible across all your devices. Plus, its powerful search function can locate any piece of information within seconds, a significant advantage over flipping through physical pages. It's a versatile hub for all your digital information. Conversely, the humble notebook offers distinct advantages. It provides a completely distraction-free environment, fostering deep focus without notifications or endless tabs. The act of writing by hand is scientifically proven to enhance memory retention and stimulate creativity, making it ideal for brainstorming or learning. There's no need for power, internet, or software updates. Just grab a pen and start writing. Furthermore, a basic notebook can cost as little as $2 or $3, making it an incredibly accessible and reliable tool. So, which is better for you? Consider your primary needs. If you require extensive organization, collaboration, and digital accessibility across multiple devices, Notion is likely your champion. However, if you value a distraction-free space, the tactile experience of writing, and ultimate simplicity, a notebook might be your preferred choice. Many people find a hybrid approach, using Notion for complex projects and a notebook for daily thoughts or creative bursts offers the best of both worlds. The right tool empowers your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.